Hello guys!
Hello guys!
I'm a teacher of painting. My name is Simina and you are?
Adelina.
Today we learn to draw the Sonic. What colors have Sonic?
Blue,
And?
red,
Yes, it's simple, two colors. It is a simple lesson. I wanna draw with my daughter in few steps and enjoy the video and have fun together. Bye bye.
bye bye.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Today we're going to draw Sonic.
Yes. For first step, we need marker, a black marker. Now go to draw the head.
Yes! The head
It's
is
like a shark. Now, and you, babe. Very good. Oh, amazing.
It's like a real shark.
But that's the hair for the hedgehog.
Yes! This is real.
And the face like a circle,
Yes.
a semicircle. Okay.
Semicircle.
Now make the part of a mouth.
Yes. The power.
And now nose. A little black nose. You know.
Nose. A little nose.
You're right. Very good. Yeah, it's beautiful. Come on, you can do it. Now it's the mouth.
The mouth. It's a happy mouth.
And you kids, you make a happy mouth.
Yes.
Now, what make?
The eyes. The part of the eyes. Excuse
It's
me.
like M. You see?
Yes.
Oh, you can make that line. Very good. And circle.
Yes, the eyes.
We can do.
The eyes.
Yes, circle of eyes.
Eyes.
1, 2. Come on, babe. We forget. Okay, that's the one. A little one circle, black inside. And the second.
Yes.
Good.
It's pretty.
I'm waiting for you.
La la la.
What is this?
The ears.
One, like a triangle.
And two. And another triangle.
Yes.
And we are done with the ears.
That's beautiful. It's cute, that Sonic.
Yes.
We forgot something or what?
Yes, we forgot something. Not just the head we do. Oh, Mom?
And now the body.
The body.
A simple line. That's our part for belly. And you, yes. Ready. Ha ha.
Haha. I'm going to catch you.
Okay, go down. Like a smile. That finished the part of belly and now the feet. One. It's cute, baby. Come on. You can try. And this is the belly, a circle inside. Good. Now the hand, you see?
Yes.
It's difficult there.
It's not so difficult for me. Look,
It is good.
it's
Nice.
like a superhero.
The position are like a hero. Ta-ta-ta-ta!
Doom, 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 doom.
Oh, the second hand. Very nice. Now, colors, kids. Get start. What colors we need? First, we need blue, and after, red for shoes.